Ring has launched a new alarm home security kit, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set it up. This home security kit comes in a 5, 8, 10, and 14-piece set. The 8, 10, and 14-piece sets come with more contact sensors and motion detectors to place around your home, but the setup is still the same. And for reference, I'm using the 8-piece kit for this video, which is about $250. Everything you need should be in the box, including the base station and adapter, keypad and adapter, range extender, 1 motion detector, and 4 contact sensors. Alright, let's get into the setup. Installing and setting up the home security kit is actually pretty simple. First, download the Ring app and either sign in or create a new account. In the app, select Set up a device and then Alarm. Confirm your address and hit Continue. Next, figure out where you want to place your base station and plug it in. Press the pairing button on the back of the base station and the light ring will be spinning blue to indicate pairing mode. In the Ring app, select Find My Base Station and connect with your Wi-Fi login. The first time your base station connects to the internet, it'll automatically do a software update. The light ring will flash white while it's updating, and once it turns solid blue, you're good to go. Next, plug in the keypad. You can set it on a counter or table, or you can mount it to a wall with the brackets on the back. The keypad can stay plugged in, or you can unplug it because there's an internal battery that should last for several months. The keypad should automatically add itself in the Ring app, and then you can give it a name and create an access code that you'll use to arm and disarm your security system. Next, find a middle ground space for the range extender and plug it in. It'll automatically add itself in the Ring app, and it'll connect all of your devices to the base station, even though they're spaced out in your home. To set up the contact sensors, you'll need to pull out the battery tab on the back of the unit, and again, it should automatically add itself in the Ring app. The app will ask you what room the contact sensor will be in and to give it a name. If you're using multiple contact sensors, this will help you know where an alert is coming from in your home. Next, peel the tape off the back of the sensor and place it on your door or window. Then line up the magnetic strip to the sensor about a ½ an inch to an inch. This will notify you when a door or window opens. To set up the motion sensor, again, you'll need to pull out the battery tab on the back of the unit and it'll automatically add itself in the Ring app. In the app, select where you're placing the motion sensor, in a room or an entryway. Once you figure out where you're going to place it, peel the tape off the back of the motion sensor to mount it. And now, you're all set. You can set your alarm in 3 different modes: disarmed, home, or away, either through the app or manually on the keypad with your access code. For more information on this security system, check out Megan's full review on CNET. And again, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Do It All.